Chef Irfan Pabaney, country head of Sodabottleopenerwala. So today I'm going to be using the Orika Peri-Peri seasoning for my roast chicken, and I'm going to be using the smoked garlic marinade for my roasted potatoes. Also by Orika and absolutely outstanding. So the reason why the particular dishes I'm doing is just to show you the versatility of the Orika spice and marinade mixtures. They're just so easy to use. I am using the minimum number of ingredients to make a fabulous product. So for making the roast chicken and the roast potatoes, I have got some chopped garlic. I have got some softened butter. I've got potatoes which have been quartered, and I've got a whole chicken with the skin on. So for the potatoes, I'm going to be adding a little bit of butter. I'm adding a little bit of chopped garlic. And I'm going to be adding the Orika Smokey Garlic Marinade. This smells so good. The garlic smell comes out so fabulously. Just about 1 teaspoon is good. Just mix all of that together. So now I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to start with the marination of the chicken, which is going to be some butter, some chopped garlic, and this most amazing Orika Peri-Peri seasoning. So the best part about the Orika Peri-Peri seasoning is that it doesn't require anything else except some butter and some garlic. We're just going to mix all of that in, and we're going to start rubbing it onto and inside our chicken. So now that that's marinated, we're gonna put it into the oven at about 150-160 degrees for about 40 minutes, or until a sharp knife poked into the thickest part make sure that the juices run clear. So now we're gonna take this for roasting in the oven. So that's our peri-peri roast chicken with our smoked garlic roasted potatoes. Absolutely fabulous. I would recommend it very highly.